interrupt your regularly scheduled program of Grey's Anatomy for emergency announcement. Zombies have reportedly been sighted in the suburbs of Boston, and we believe, based on intercepted intelligence, that they are likely to be heading west to take over the oil reserves in Texas. President Obama is now going to address the nation.
My fellow Americans, I stand before you not as your president, but as a concerned citizen. The Department of Defense has informed me that we are currently under attack by zombies. I want to assure you that we are doing everything we can to combat these hideous terrorists. We are currently compiling a list of mathematicians who can help us break the zombie code in order to prepare our defenses. Our support and prayers are with these encryption experts.
Throughout modern history, mathematicians have been called upon to come to the aid of our nation by breaking military codes. Encryption involves complex mathematical deciphering used for breaking patterns. You are the encryption experts. You are the only thing that stands between the U.S. and zombie apocalypse. Are you up for the challenge?